Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share how I maintain my blowout throughout the week till my next wash. So this is going to be a vlog style video in which I'm going to take you throughout my day and show you what I do. And I just blow dried my hair like 15 minutes back, that's why it's looking so good. It's currently very humid outside, it's raining, it's almost December, still it's raining, and as soon as I step out of the room I have a feeling that my hair is going to get a little frizzy. So I'm going to wear a satin bonnet. This is from Hair Love. I use it for sleeping also, but in such cases I like to wear it even at home. Like, I just freshly blow dried my hair. I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to take any chance. And I don't tie my hair as such because whenever I tie my hair, it gets bent in weird ways and the shape kind of changes. So I want to maintain the same shape. So I'm not going to tie it or anything. I'm just going to wear this bonnet normally. So I've put all my hair in it and it has this tying thing, so this gets really comfortable. This is how I'm gonna roam around the house. And again, tie at the back. Okay, I'm quickly gonna have lunch. Hi, so I had lunch and I also filmed a video, and it is raining so heavily today. I really hope my hair doesn't get frizzy because then there's no point of this video. I would have to name the video as how to make your hair frizzy. So I'm not going to be doing anything right now to my hair. I might wear a bonnet if I feel it's too humid, and I'll directly meet you at night when I'll show you how I sleep with my hair. Hey, so it's 9:30 p.m. right now. I just came on top. So this is the loft. We just have a mattress here. I'm just gonna wear the bonnet now only because I'll be lying down and watching TV, so I don't want my hair to get spoiled. Actually, I wore this bonnet most of the time today because it was raining heavily, like very heavily, and I didn't want to spoil my hair. If I wasn't filming a video, I wouldn't bother. It's kind of wet because I had washed my face. When I was wearing this, should have dried it though. Anyway, so I just put everything in this. You can wear it however you want as long as your hair is inside. You can of course tie a loose bun, but I don't want to. And my hair is not that long, so it's fine. The color is so pretty and it's really good quality. Slightly expensive, but it's really good. It's gonna last you for a long time. I did my skincare just now. And look at my glowing skinny. And now I'm gonna sleep. No, not sleep. I'm just gonna watch some TV and then I'll sleep. So yeah, this is how I sleep. I don't know if you can see. I don't need to show you how I sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. By the way, this is from Mia. It's so pretty. Hi, good morning. So I just woke up some time back and thought I'll just remove the bonnet in front of the camera. So, ready? Okay, it has got very curly because of the humidity. It was raining non-stop, okay? Like non-stop. Here, a little bit of frizz is there. So I just run my fingers through, and also make sure you have dry hands. Don't touch wet or damp hands, okay? You know, when I went to Mumbai last week, there was very less humidity compared to Goa, and my hair would look like I walked out of a salon when I woke up. Like, it was just so silky and smooth. It did not become curly like this. So I just dried my shower cap because it was a little wet. I'll just clip it above so that it's easier. The clutcher, shower cap. I also forgot to include one more point. Whenever you're having bath, even if you're not taking a shower, please use a shower cap because the water droplets may still fall, and even the steam can touch your hair, and that will act as if you are going out in humidity. It's just gonna swell up your cuticle and make it more frizzy, and that's why it's not gonna last that long. So please wear a shower cap even if you're not taking like actual shower. So I'm ready. I've put my makeup on for video. I'm just gonna touch my hair up a little bit. So first I would just fluff them up and see where are the problem areas. Mostly this part needs touching up. Rest of the parts are looking quite okay. So I use this blow dry attachment, the round brush attachment on the air wrap. I'll just take a little section from here and I keep it for some time. Cool shot, and then I remove it carefully. Some part here has got frizzy, so that also I'll just touch up. Also one section over here. and I think I would just run it over like this. And here, since it has got curly, I somehow like my blow dries on second day more because my scalp also produces little oil, so my hair gets naturally hydrated. I think I put too much leave-in products because it's not looking as bouncy as usual. I'll just do the front section again. I'm not liking the shape of it. So this is how it looks like. Looks fine now. See, the curls have dropped, right? I mean, yesterday it was much more, what do you say, shrunk, and today it's more loose, and that's why I use the smaller curling barrels, because if I use the bigger curling barrels, then it looks good on the first day, but the next day the curls just drop much more. That's why I like to use the smaller ones so that the curls are more curly and they keep dropping and they get mixed with my natural curls, so it doesn't like completely drop. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good. I mean, I expected it to be more frizzy since it's raining. It could have been better if it wasn't raining, but okay. And I will add just a tiny bit of serum just on my ends, not here. Yeah, I don't feel I need serum right now. Can you see that? Just one tiny drop I took. So just the ends, because ends do get dry, right? Just lightly running my fingers through. I love running my fingers through my blow dried hair. So now I'm gonna film a few videos. Then I'll see you in case I do something related to my hair. Otherwise, it's just no point. Just quickly wanted to show you something. So even if you get such flyaways now which are like so stubborn, what you can do is spray a little bit of hairspray. I'm using the L'Oreal Elnet hairspray. So just a little bit and then just do this. You can also use it on a toothbrush and then do, or even a comb would do. I'm just using my hands because I'm lazy to get those things. So this works like magic. I don't spray it all over my hair when I'm at home. I just don't feel the need to. But this helps when, you know, you have to go out and stuff. So I'm done filming the video now. I filmed a haul, a panic haul and street style store haul. And I'm not leaving my hair right now because it's just too much. I want hair out of my way. So I've just put a clip behind, like half hair. Alarm baj raha hai. So I'm just gonna change into something comfy and chill for the day. Today's Sunday. We might go out, so let's see. So we did go out and thoda sa frizz I got because of going out. I'm just going to apply a little oil now, just on the scalp. Oh, I almost dropped it. Just on the scalp, not applying on the hair. And whenever I apply oil on scalp, the next day the oil kind of travels through my hair and even my hair gets a little hydration. So like the tiniest drop, just one drop I took. Spread it, put my fingers and just massage my scalp. Go. He's asking, so sweet. It also stimulates your scalp and your scalp also gets little nutrition. I try not to apply on the hair lengths because then it gets very oily. And whatever like I have left, I barely have anything left. So I'll just run it through my hair like that. So I will just take my hair and twist it like that and just wipe that remaining oil on my hair. There's barely anything, so it's not gonna make it super oily, and especially my ends. Whenever I do this, I've noticed my frizz just reduces a lot. Saw that? Hair looks good as new. So I'm gonna sleep now and I'll just wear my bonnet again. I don't need to show you again. This is the next day. I just had bath. I have put some tint on my face and some eyebrow tint also. So I just thought I'll show you how I keep my hair. So whenever I've blow dried my hair, I usually try to leave it because I don't want any dents to be formed whenever I tie my hair up. It causes dents. So this is how my hair is looking today. And they do feel a little dry, so I will apply some serum using this OGX serum. This is a really thick, like oil like serum, so I use it whenever my hair is feeling super dry. I'm not using a lot, just 2 drops, and focusing on my ends. And out again, twist my hair like so, like I showed yesterday, and just basically wipe my hands on it. Okay, my hand had a lot of skincare products like sunscreen and all, so that also got wiped. Like this is day 3 hair, so I just try to keep it like that. Unless I feel really hot, in that case I would tie it up. So it looks like I'm out in the sun. Hi, so again it's night time. It was a really long day and I had tied my hair because I took a quick shower. I didn't wear a shower cap because I was lazy. That happens most of the times. And I had also tied my hair throughout the day because it was hot. Like I couldn't take this hair. It's feeling very dry for some reason. Usually it doesn't feel that dry. So like yesterday, I'm just gonna take a couple of drops and apply it on my scalp. Right now I'm not looking to make my hair like smooth or anything because I'm just at home. I'm just working at home, so I don't care. Yeah, weekend is already done. My videos are also done. I film videos only during weekends, and now it's Monday, so I'm just applying on the scalp. Just when my scalp is nicely moisturized, wipe it on my hair like so. And I wanted to show you all one more serum. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to give you guys recommendations. The plum serum is so good. This is silicone free, so if you want any silicone free serum, this is a really great option to go for. And a little bit goes a long way for this. Like it makes your hair so soft, like so soft. That's why I apply very little, because if I apply too much of it, my hair just gets overly soft and too I don't know, like very soft. And I don't need that much. Just one drop goes a long way. So I'm just applying that on my ends because my ends are feeling super dry. And it instantly softens your hair. Even if you wear your hair curly, you can use this serum if your hair feels dry. Just don't apply too close to the scalp because I've noticed that it really makes my scalp itch a lot if it touches my scalp. So I just don't touch only this part because somehow it always gets touched to the scalp. Even this part, it gets touched to the scalp if I tie my hair like this. So I mostly try to keep it on the ends only to reduce the itching. But other than that, I really like this serum. If I apply a lot of this, my hair looks super oily. That's why just a tiny drop goes a long way. Hi, so this is day 4. I just had bath and everything and I just applied little concealer to look little cute. I'm not doing anything, not applying serum, not applying oil today. I may apply oil at night if I feel dry, but currently my hair is not feeling dry. It is feeling soft because yesterday I applied serum plus oil. I think I'll meet you tomorrow because this just it. I'm just gonna tie my hair up. I just apply this clip behind so that the hair is not in the way, and that's it. I'm not even going out anywhere. See, the bottom curls look so good. They kind of get mixed with my natural curls and it just looks so good. Bye. Hi, day 5 of blow dried hair. It's almost gone. I mean, the ends are still good, but the upper part is almost gone. It is itching for me because of that serum I applied. It touched my scalp for some reason. Today I'm just gonna tie it behind. So I just take my hair like so and tie it like this. Nothing fancy. I just took my satin scrunchie and yeah, that's it. It's gonna keep my hair away. I know it doesn't really suit me. If you're wondering why I'm not washing my hair for so long, I have a habit of washing my hair once a week unless I really need to. And today is Wednesday, so 3 more days to go. Hi, today is what, day 6? I kind of lost track of what day hair it is. I think it's day 6 only. Like Saturday I washed now. Today is Thursday. It's got a little heavy because of the build-up. I definitely feel oily here and it just feels very heavy. It doesn't feel bouncy anymore. I'll be touching up my hair because I'm going out. My mother-in-law bought a car, so we are going there to get the car home. So I thought of looking at least thoda sa cute. With this hair, I'm not gonna look cute, so I have to touch it up. I'm not using any product right now because my hair feels heavy, like it doesn't need more product. So I'm taking this barrel. This is the 40mm barrel and I'm using this only on both sides. I'm just going to do it on few pieces where I feel I need it. So I would just take this random section because this is on top, so it will give me more framing and volume. ये क्यों रुका? Why is it not working? Something wrong with the voltage. It suddenly stopped working. Again, why is it not working? So I cleaned the filter and now it's working. It's not working perfectly though, like there's a lag after I started. So I'll have to clean it more thoroughly. Since I bought it, I've just cleaned it once. So I think probably it's because of that. So I'll clean it later. So I just took some 4-5 sections from top and did upar se. Didn't do it perfectly. Now I'll use this blow dry brush for the front to give more volume. Still not giving much volume because my hair is very heavy because of the build-up. I'm just gonna let my hair cool down right now because I did not use a cool shot. I was too lazy for it. I just did upar se. It barely took me 5 minutes. And now I'm not gonna run my fingers through, but just gonna, fluff my hair a little bit like so. Like just doing this just to give it little volume. Yeah, that's it. I think there are clothes drying. Usually I don't do any efforts, okay? I just did it because I'm filming a vlog. I'm inspired by my husband because he always looks presentable. Even at home, even while going to sleep, he'll always do his hair and go to sleep. So I kind of took motivation from him. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because tomorrow I'm not gonna do anything to my hair. Tomorrow's Friday and Saturday I'm gonna wash it off. So tomorrow night I'm gonna oil massage my hair. And yeah, there's nothing much. I'm not going to put serum and all. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday. And yeah, that's it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.